How to edit TikTok caption after posting. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to edit the caption after the video has been posted. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. So start by opening up your Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. And once done, head over to your TikTok application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to try this, let's upload any of the post. Select any photo that you would like to add from your gallery section and write any caption. Once done, tap on to post. Now let's go back to our post and tap on three dot icon on your bottom right. As you can see that there is no such option as edit. However, you can edit the tagged people in the video if you have any. In case in the future TikTok updates us with that feature, we will surely let you know. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.